Number 2, Singapore Airlines. Singapore Airlines is one of the most respected travel brands around the world. Flying one of the youngest aircraft fleets in the world to destinations spanning a network spread over 6 continents, the Singapore Girl is an internationally recognizable icon, providing the high standards of care and service that customers have come to expect of Singapore Airlines. Number 1, Qatar Airways. In a relatively short time, Qatar Airways has grown to more than 140 destinations worldwide. Offering levels of service excellence that help the award-winning carrier to become best in the world. Qatar Airways network spans business and leisure destinations.